Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today's video is all about Wallputty crafts. So let's see how to make. So first I'm making here a wall decor. Now roll the Wallputty dough and make a shape like this. You can cut it in any shapes. So here I'm making a cat. So you have to make a separate legs, tail, and then you have to add these detailings like this before itself. So if it's dried, then you can't do any detailings, so before itself you have to do. So watch this guys, what I'm doing here. So you have to keep it like this and leave this to dry. It's like a cat holding something like a banner, so like this it should be. I'm attaching the hands. Once done, leave this to dry. Adding this detailings, this eyes, nose, you should leave this to dry. I left it for about 4 hours, something like that. Then you have to start painting colors of your choice guys. Now add all these details like this. Guys, especially these Wallputty crafts, you should have lot of patience guys. So every single step you have to leave this to dry, otherwise your work will get spoiled. So you need patience guys to do something like clay art or Wallputty art and all. So the outcome will be really beautiful guys. Now this is done. Let's attach all this with the help of a jute rope, legs, the tail and the hanging part. So once done, let's see how it looks on the wall guys. This is how it looks. Tell me how did you like this guys. So now moving on to our next DIY. This is a planter guys. So this is really easy, it is nothing much to do here. Just take Wallputty dough, any old bottle, cut it like this and start pasting the dough guys like this. Cover this completely and then start giving shapes guys, like how I'm doing here. I have made a head here. This is actually a small giraffe. So initially this head was very difficult guys to make. So what I did is I left this to dry. Then I found the head was not proper. Again I took a little bit of Wallputty and tried giving this a better shape. After drying I did some sanding guys, so that it will give you a smooth finish. So guys, if you have any doubts regarding this planter or any craft related doubts, please comment down below. I will try to answer them. So please let me know guys, how did you like this planter. Guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So now moving on to our next planter or an organizer. So let's see how to make this guys. This is really simple. So same way I'm taking a bottle, cut it into half. So you have to apply Fevicol guys, it will be strong enough. So this is how guys you have to start covering the whole bottle like this. If you find any cracks, you can smooth the surface with your wet hand guys. Now I'm attaching the eyes, legs, and then even this you should leave this to dry guys. I left it for 4 to 5 hours and then this became like stone and then I started painting. So guys, if you're on Instagram, please don't forget to follow me. On Instagram I will be coming up with some giveaways, so if you want to win those, please do follow me on my Instagram also. And also you can check some of my handmade home decor item guys. Definitely you have to check my page. I do at a very affordable prices guys. You can DM me there, so I'll be replying you. So now guys, this planter also is completed. So please tell me, how did you like this, all these three DIYs. Please comment down below. So next topic, please suggest me any next topic guys to do. Thank you for watching.